Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and lift this bonnet, or hood, as our friends over the ditch would say. As you can see, it just gets a little bit grimy over a period of time in between services. Stuff like that I'm not too concerned about. It's obviously from a factory standpoint, some of the anti-rust solution that they spray on, it's not actual rust. To get that off is not going to serve a purpose other than just to be very pedantic, which I'm not really that bad in terms of engine bays. So I'll just grab the solution and we just spray the solution. You can actually be quite liberal. Like I said, it is pH neutral and it won't affect your Duco, so just get into all the plastic areas. Now you don't need the engine running to spray this on, but when you do get to the section where you do high pressure, I will have the vehicle running. As you can see, it's already started emulsifying in certain sections where it does start to attack all the oil and the grease. So I'll spray it everywhere here. As you can see, it's just changing colour. Where it does attack the oil and the grease, it will turn that white sludgy residue. I suppose it's more important down in those areas. It's not too bad, this engine bay. But it will come out looking a lot better. Okay, I'll just grab the high pressure and we'll blast it off. Really effective. Okay, so as you can see, it's definitely got rid of all the dust, a lot of the dirt. Some of the grease and the hard stuff is still there, but it's not too bad overall. That's it, quite simple. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and click that bell. If you need any other information, please don't hesitate to call us on our 1800 931 988 or log on to our website, rawcorp.com.au. Thank you.